everyone, I'm Vidhi and welcome to my channel. So today is 23rd of May and currently I'm on the Zuari bridge, the new Zuari bridge, and I'm on my way to the Dona Pola, which is a very famous place in North Goa. So I've already left. So let's resume the journey and reach Panjim first. So Panjim is only 16 kilometers here from here. So let's start. So we were on our way to the Dona Pola and we are going via the GMC, like the Goa Medical College, and from that route. And on your way, you get this really good view of the Grand Hyatt Hotel. And you see over there, you can see the roofs of the cottages and the rooms of Grand Hyatt, and you get this beautiful view of the ocean. And this is how the road is. So let's resume the journey. ऊंचा है आसमां, ऊंची उड़ाने हैं, करके ही छोड़े दिल जो भी ये ठाने हैं. ऊंचा है आसमां, ऊंची उड़ाने हैं, करके ही छोड़े दिल. So we have reached to Dona Pola, and here is the you all can see the view, and down there over there is the Dona Pola beach. So currently the time is like 8:15, and because of that you all can see that nothing is opened yet. So this is how the path looks like. They have made from the parking till here, okay, and that over there on top is the main viewpoint. So that is the entrance to go to the viewpoint, and you all can see there is this whole lineup of shops for shopping. So right now the time is 8:20 in the morning, and all the shops will open at around 9:30 or 9. And here there is also watchtower made for the lifeguards, because down there over there is the beach. So here we have to purchase a ticket first. So over here is the ticket counter, and these are the ticket prices. For the residents there is no ticket, and here is the timing. So we have showed our ticket and now we have entered, and for us there was no ticket. We just had to show our address proof and we could enter. So like years ago, like there was these things were not there here. They have now they have renovated it and all. And although it's like very early in the morning, like just 8:30, and still there are many people. Usually the crowd here starts coming at 9 or 9:30, something around that, but today I can see many people here. So Dona Pola is basically famous for its the view that you get from here and the statue. But one more thing is that over here at this point, the river Mandovi and river Zuari, they meet here, and from 1 kilometer from here they go and meet into the Arabian Sea, okay. And from here you can see that side, which is that's Vasco, and so you really get a good view. And you see in the distance there are ships over there. There is also the port, the Mormuga port, okay. And this is this whole view of this place. So if you really want to enjoy this place, it's better you all come in the morning, early morning, at the time when it opens, in that hours, because it's less crowded, and you really get to enjoy this place. Otherwise when it starts getting crowded, you don't don't get to go to the perfect spot. There's so much rush, everybody wants to click pictures, everyone wants to see the view and all. So it's better if you all come in the morning when there is not that much of crowd, okay, like we did. I usually like to come in the morning hours because not many people prefer coming at this hour, okay. So this where I'm standing right now is the very same spot where, you know, Singham movie, the very famous scene from that movie where Ajay Devgan is removing the, you know, the lamps which were there. Okay. Well, now that area you can see it's all closed because you see work is going on and it's like kind of, you know, destroyed or something. This place opens at 8 o'clock in the morning, so prefer coming in that time, like from 8 to 9. The, you know, weather is also very pleasant at that hours, not that much of sun or anything, and less crowd, so you all can like really enjoy this place at that hour. So now let's go on top and check out the view from there. Okay, and so before climbing the stairs to the viewpoint, you all can read these rules and regulations for this place. Okay, just pause the video and you all can check out. So after you climb the stairs, the first thing you can go to see is this statue of Robert Knox and his wife. Like mostly people here say that it is the statue of Donna and Paula, but you know, there are like many stories about this place and nobody really knows the truth yet. You know, like some time ago, like there were no this railings and all was not there, but now they have done these railings and also they've beautifully colored it, nice colors. Okay, so this is how the sculpture looks like. It has been ruined, but don't touch it when you all are coming here. Okay, and it's really beautiful place, all greenery around, and there on top is the viewpoint. So now we have reached here on the main viewpoint, and this is the whole 360 view that you get from here, and the view is like really very nice, and you know, like ocean all on your side, and like on one side it's full ocean and on the other side there's all this city. Okay, so as I said, there in the distance is Vasco and on this side is Panjim. Okay, so from this spot you can also see some part of Panjim and also Vasco. Okay, so at this hour you actually get your preferable spot. Wherever you all want to stand, you all can stand and enjoy the view. But when you all come at the rush hours or mainly the sunset time, you like literally have no, यहाँ पे मतलब पैर रखने की भी जगह नहीं होती, इतनी यहाँ पे crowd होती है. And you all saw that अभी यहाँ पे कोई भी नहीं है, literally just hardly a few people over here. Okay, and the weather, well, right now the sun is not like properly it's coming. अभी मतलब थोड़ी धूप आ रही है, but it's like you know, sunny and cloudy. It's getting like that, and that's it. And this is the whole view behind me from this viewpoint of Donna Paula. So there in the distance, you all can see that some people are doing fishing. And well, if you come here, you will see many, like always when you come here, you will see many people fishing over here on those rocks, and also here on this side. And that's the point from where we had come. Okay, and this is the view from top. So when you all come from down, you know, there are like two ways to come up. From there you all can come from this way or go that way, see the sculptures, and then you'll climb up. So they have done this to manage the crowd basically. So right in front of the sculpture of Robert Knox and his wife, there's this, you know, board put up which says about the history of this place. This place was named after, you know, Donna Paula. Okay, and you see, you all can read it. You all can just pause and read this whole play about this whole place. So about the rest of the history of this place, I will write it down in the description because many people have different stories about this place. Like some say like this place is famous because of the love story of the woman named Donna Paula, but some people say that it's not exactly that. Okay, so whatever it is, I'll write both the stories which are there over here in the description. So if you all are interested, you all can read it from the description. And this is the close-up of the statue. And here right under the statue, like they have put up the board, and this is actually by why it was made, this statue was made, they have written that. So we have come down from the viewpoint, okay, and now we will be leaving this place. But before leaving, I would want to tell you one thing, is that when you all are coming here, if you all have used tissues, plastic bottles or any trash, do not throw it inside the complex, okay, anywhere here and there. There are many dustbins kept here, so put it in that instead of littering this place and ruining the beauty of this place, okay. So that was it, a small message. So now we have come out from the Donapaula jetty and the viewpoint, and we are back here in the parking. And I told you right that here on the beach there are water sports. So these are the rates of the water sports. Like parking में इन लोग का counter बना हुआ है. You can book this. Okay, these are the rates, and the timings are also here. So okay, we have already left from Donapaula and now we are going back. So that was it for this video, and I hope you all liked this video, and if you all did, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.